I'm Chef Gaurav and today we are making a very quick smoothie recipe. I'm naming it a MBA smoothie because it has mango, banana and almond. So let's start. So I'm adding one mango. Here I have two bananas. So these mango and bananas are actually frozen. I have kept it in refrigerator for at least 5 hours. Then I have the almond butter. 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Then I'm adding honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I have some thick curd. 2 tablespoons of thick curd. And then I have some mixture of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and chia seeds. So I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of this. This would be good. Let's just give it a mix and then our smoothie will be ready. So let's beautify our smoothie bowl. Here I have some almonds, some thinly sliced almonds. Just putting a small line of almonds in the center. And then have some mixture of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and chia seeds. Just a small sprinkle all over the smoothie. Here we go. So here we have the mango, banana and almond smoothie bowl ready. Please make yours and enjoy the recipe.